Tired of bulky, complicated RO systems? Let me show you the GlacierFresh U03, a sleek, all-in-one, under-the-sink system that gives you a clean, great-tasting water without using any electricity. Yep, no wiring, no noise, no problem. Let's take a look. Right out of the box, you could tell the GlacierFresh took design seriously. This thing is compact, stylish, and comes with everything you need. The main unit, faucet, tubing, filters already inside, and quick connect fittings. And most importantly, no drill, no plumber, no headaches. You can literally install this with 0 tools. I installed mine in about 10 minutes. Here's the process in a nutshell. So when you first install the hoses, flip over like this so it's facing that way. The right one is pure. Simply twist and connect it. Next is the cold. And finally the hot. Next, you can install this. Make sure this line is facing up. Simply push all the cords through here. Then you just install this black silicone ring. Number 1, mount the faucet. No drilling needed. It fits your existing opening or soap dispenser slot. Don't forget to tighten those screws. Number 2, connect the tubing. Everything is color coded and clicks right in. And you simply find the white line. Number 3, place the unit under the sink and plug in the inlet and outlet hoses. That's it. No electricity needed. The U03 runs on water pressure alone, so it's whisper quiet and energy free. Let's talk performance. The U03 filters over 99% of chlorine, lead, heavy metals, and other contaminants, thanks to a 5-stage reverse osmosis system. The result? Water that tastes fresh, crisp, and clean, like bottled water, but without the plastic or cost. It even includes a built-in pressure gauge, so you know the system's working properly. And the filter lifespan is impressive, up to 12 months for the main filters, so maintenance is very minimal. Now, let's do a quick test. I ran a TDS test on my tap water, before and after, and the results speak for themselves. Tap water had a TDS of over 300, and the filtered water dropped down to below 200. That's a huge difference. Taste-wise, it's clean, no chlorine taste, no metallic aftertaste, just smooth, refreshing water. So if you're looking for a clean water upgrade without electrical tools or noise, the GlacierFresh U03 is it. It's compact, super easy to install, under $200, which is crazy value for a full-featured RO system. Click the link in the description to check it out, and grab yours while it's still in stock. Trust me, once you taste it, you'll wonder why you didn't switch sooner.